Hey guys, what's up? Chocoflix here, also known as Dandy99. So, I'm gonna show you how to install the Technic pack. So, you're gonna want to go into your web browser. Google Chrome is the fastest. That's what I think personally. Doesn't have much load up. So, you're gonna go to Technic pack, technicpack.net. Okay. Then if you scroll down a little bit, it'll say download the Technic launcher. So you can click on that, or you could go to Technic and hit download Technic launcher. Same thing. You can also download Techit, which is the multiplayer server. So it'll automatically start downloading. I don't know if my screen captures that bottom corner, but yeah, it's downloading in the bottom corner. So you might want to minimize this. You're going to want to minimize it. Don't close it yet, because I will tell you why. So I already have a Technic launcher, so I'm going to delete this. So if this happens to you, if you run it, it just says checking launcher version and it closes. You keep on running it, and you run as an administrator. And it just does that. Then you're going to want to do this. Go into percentage, app data percent, and your Technic launcher. I don't know if you saw it because it was in the corner. So you're going to go to .technic and it'll download all this stuff, and you're going to hit Technic launcher.jar. And as soon as this starts loading up, you can just close out of your .technic. You don't need it anymore. And yeah, but if you don't want to go into your app data every single time, you can go back onto the website. That's why I say not to close it. Go into and then download the linux.jar file, or linux/jar file here, pretty much. So yeah, and that'll work like the .jar one you already have. So at first, it'll download the 1.1 version. I don't really think there's a difference, but between the two, except the different versions. But I think the 1.1 has Millionaire and the newest one doesn't. But all you have to do if you want to update it is hit always use development builds, and it'll automatically update and stuff. It won't just use the recommended build, which is 1.1. Then you do your password and stuff. I'm gonna hit Technic because that is single player. Then there's Techit and all this other stuff. And vanilla. Vanilla is no mods installed. I'm gonna do Technic, log in, and on this bar here it'll start downloading everything. Might take a while. You don't need to close this Technic launcher because it'll automatically do that for you after this loads up to the Mojang thing. And yeah, it's pretty much I guess you could say it's pretty much self-working. Yeah, so it just loads up. I'm gonna go full screen here. Yeah, it's lagging a bit. Just wait for it to load up. Gosh, this is lagging. But Alt F4. Delete. It's pretty much lagging out because I have my recorder running. It's Camtasia, so it's not really the fastest thing in the world. Oh, what do you know? Right when I was about to close it. And yeah, so it'll have all these mods installed. Lots of mods. And hopefully when you go into your world, it should say then wait for it to load. And yeah, so when you go into your inventory, it should have all this stuff here, and you can search things up pretty much. And I'm in cheat mode, so I can have whatever I want. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hope it helped you out. Please try and leave some positive feedback or negative feedback if you want. But thank you for watching, and yeah. So bye guys. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and I'll try and reply as fast as possible. So thanks.